ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಾಡ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವನ ಈ ಹಂಗೇನು ಹೊರಟೋಗಿ
Yeah, guys, write on program. Yeah, we discussed strings today. Single dimensional arrays only. Arrays completed. 2D arrays are there again. Okay, and pointers also we discuss after completion of series. Accept a string from the user and print it on the screen. Okay, write a question. Accept a string from the user. We have to enter the string, guys, and we have to print it on the screen. Okay. Yesterday, right? Integer arrays discussed. Now today we'll discuss character arrays. Character arrays are strings. You know what is string property, right? String ends with null characters. String ends with null character. Yeah, we write on a small program how to read a string and how to print it on the screen. Okay. Yeah, program execution starts with main, guys. Program execution starts with main. See this. Can I take character A of 20? Yes. Character A of 20 means 20 characters, right? Maximum how many characters you can enter? 19 only. We can enter 19. We can't enter more than 19 characters. For example, if I enter more than 20 characters, what happens? Okay. See what happens, guys. Operating system is giving chance to use 20 bytes only. 20 character means 20 bytes memory only we can use it. Okay, if you try to use other than 20 characters, then compiler will learn, right? The runtime error will get. That is called memory error. Okay, if we enter more than 20 characters, then operating system, right? This memory management done by OS. If you perform any illegal operation, okay, we will take care of that operating system. For example, if operating system allows to run that program, it allows. You have to enter the string, guys. See once, printf, see this. Enter any string. Yeah, how to enter string, guys? Normally we use scanf. See, scanf percentile s AR address of A. We can use AR address of A. Both are same, right? AR address of A, both are same. Now see, print. Now I am going to print given string is percentile s A. Right? Address only you have to mention. From that address, it prints the string. Printf. If you use printf, address you have to mention. What is address? A. Base address. If I specify base address, from that address, whatever the string available, it is printing. Okay. Now save as dot section. Otherwise the header files is required. What are the other files? Printf scanf for stdio.h, getch for conio.h header file is required. Okay. Hash include. Otherwise save as .c extension. If you don't want to write header file, in this compiler they are optional, right? Hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Okay, in some compiler conio.h is not required. Yeah, compile. No errors, no warnings. Run this. Enter any string. Can I enter hello? See this, guys. I am entering hello. If I enter hello, hello is printing. Okay, no? For example, can I enter hello space world? Yeah, what happened, guys? What happened, guys? Tell me. If I enter hello space world, Now after space it is not taking. Scanf, it won't read the spaces. It won't read the spaces. Till if I enter a space, guys, then it consider as a /0. Okay, null character. It assigns the null character. Yeah, then which function is required? GetS function, get string. Instead of this, without spaces, it reads. Okay, gets of a. What is gets of a with this with character? See, this is without spaces. It assigns the characters without spaces. Now gets of a with spaces. Enter a string. Allow space word. Now it is printing with spaces, right? Hello space word. Clear it is? Yeah. Can I use instead of this puts function? You understood? Yeah. How to use puts function, guys? GetS is for reading. Puts is for printing. Can I use puts of a? Yes. Now I entered hello space word. See this hello space word. Yeah. Here see cursor where it is sending. It is sending default in next line. Okay. Without writing a puts of a again. If I use puts of a, again this will print in the next line. Hello space word. See this. Again hello space word, hello space word. Next line it is sending. Are you following, guys? Yeah. Now what is the output for this? Can I use puts of this percentile welcome and percentile? Yeah. In printf garbage value, welcome garbage value will be printed, but here it what it prints, guys? Percentile consider as percentile only. Once check it, hello space word. See this. It won't print any garbage. Puts everything is character only. Okay, everything treated as string only. What it print? Percentile means percentile only. It won't consider as that format specifier. Welcome percentile only. Okay. Welcome how it welcome it treats. Percentile also treats like that only. Okay, write this. Understood how to read a string. I use it right. You can use puts. That is only for strings, not other values you cannot print Varsha. Integer values you can't print. Percentile D, X value you cannot print. Only for strings you can use. Puts is only for string. Put string, get string, get s, get string. Next one. How to read a string with spaces? You can use like this. Gets of a. Okay, this is without spaces, guys. Without spaces. Both are same. A or address of a both are same. You can use a also, address of a also. If you write address of a also, nothing will happen. Because a and address are a both are same, right? I told you right in the single dimensional array, right? A and address of a both are same, right? For arrays, see this. A address of a. What is a? A or address of a or address of a of 0, a plus 0. These all are same, right? 1001. A address of a same both. That's why you can write 1001. Completed, huh? Yeah, I will tell you, Pranit. Completed, guys. Now in some compilers, what happens, guys? Gets is deprecated. Deprecated means that is the old one. It accepts the, but warning it gives in some compilers. For example, online compilers are there. For example, see this compiler. I will show you. Online GDB compiler. For example, if you use this compiler, see this. Gets it shows a warning. I want to read a string and I want to print it. Same program I will try. See this. Take character A of t. Okay, enter any string. How to enter a string? Where I am taking enter any string. Wait, I will zoom it. Okay, gets of A. If you want spaces, gets of A. Print the given string. How to print the given string? Printf of given string is %s comma A. Okay, na? See this. I use the gets. Once compile here, in some compilers, what happens? Here, see, it is showing a warning. What is the warning? The gets function is dangerous and should not be used. It is showing a message. Okay, that is deprecated. Here you can see gets is deprecated. In the old version, it is there. In the new version, they removed. Are you following, guys? It is showing when you use a gets, it is giving some warnings or errors, right? Some warning messages it is showing. It's a dangerous. Don't use these functions. It's giving like this. Okay, now even though it works now, see, guys. Now enter any string. Now I can enter the string hello space world. If I enter hello space world, then output will be printed. This is I entered hello space world. Given string is this. Okay, if you don't want those warning messages, we can use that scanf like this. What is scanf, guys? See, scanf, we have to read the characters, guys. Okay, how to read a character? See how I am reading a character. See this. See now hello space world. I will enter, right? Hello space world. Next I will press enter, right? I will press enter. Okay, till enter it has to read. Till enter it has to read. Then how to write, guys? See this. We read like this. Till what is that value? Slash n, right? Till slash n. Next value you have to read. How it read? Percentile star c. This how many characters? This we write like this, guys. Okay, if it doesn't work, we have to write like this. Percentile next line till next line. Till next line means till enter character. We have to read this. Are you following, guys? If gets if sometimes gets may not work, or it may give warnings. I want to remove the gets function. Instead of gets, we can write in the gigs for gigs. It allows like this. Okay, no? You understood what is the meaning of this? Till next line it read. Till next line means till enter character. Till enter character it reads this. How many character? Many characters it reads. Okay. Now it works now. See once. It is asking no errors, no warnings. You can see the output screen. No warnings, no errors. Enter any string. Can I enter hello space world? Okay. See like this you can enter. For example, if you enter more than 20 characters, guys, if I enter more than 20 characters in this compiler, see once. I want to enter, I'm entering a more than 20 characters. That is called segmentation false, guys. Here you can see code dumped, you got right? Code dumped, aborted. It is showing that aborted. That is what? Error segmentation fault. This is called terminated segmentation fault. Are you following, guys? If I enter more than 20 characters, code dumped or segmentation fault, it is showing stack smashing detected. You know what is stack, right? That is more than 20 characters we cannot give. Okay. In this compiler, it shows the message, but in this compiler, it closes the application. Can I execute once? See, you completed, right? See, if I enter more than 20 characters, that is OS. Sometimes it may allow, sometimes it may close. Now it's printing, right? Yeah, but see, it is closing also. Are you following? Maximum 19 characters only can enter because you declared how much? Right? 19, right? 20 you declared, maximum 19. We should give space for null character. We should give a space for null character. Clear it is? Okay, now next question, guys. Either gets, if gets doesn't work, then you have to use this function, guys. Next function, right? Next one, accept a string from the user, print in vertical. Print the given string vertical. What is mean by vertical? I will show you the output. For example, if I enter welcome, now I want output like this, guys. Vertical. First W, next E, L, C, O, M, E. This is the output expected. Okay. Write this, guys. This is the input. If I enter welcome, I want output like this. Clear? Are you following it? This is the input. Write a question. Question complete. What is mean by vertical here? One characters you are printing. One character. Right? See? This is the first character. This is A of 0, right? What is this? A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, A of 7. Till null character you have to print. W, E, A of 0 we have to print. A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6. Okay? Are you following, guys? You have to print till null character. First, defaultly, if you did not enter, what happens, guys? If you did not enter any character, see this. What it contains. Yeah, what is default? If I take A of 20, initially that it contains A of 0, it is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, all values, garbage values will be there. A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, some value, A of till 19. Okay? Yeah, A of 0 to A of 19, guys. This is what? This is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. All values are garbage value. This is garbage first. This is also garbage. Yeah, right? This is also all values are garbage values. What will be there in that characters? We don't know, guys. This is also garbage. This is also garbage, right? All values are garbage value. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, right? A of 5, A of 6, right? Till 19 characters are till 19 characters are right. Sorry, till 20 characters are the garbage values only. These are indexes. This is 0, right? 0 index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, right? Fifth index, sixth one, seventh one, right? Eighth one, ninth one, 10th, right? Last one is 19th. This is 19th, guys. Okay. Address is same, guys. What is this reference here? A is a pointer to this array. What is the A value? Base address. What is the base address? Some address, for example. If it is a 1000, guys, it starts from 1000, 1000 to 1019. This is a 1000, 1001. Okay, 1002, like this. What is the addresses? Till 1019 is the address. Okay, now 1019. Yeah, now question is what? That is I want to enter a string, guys. How to enter string? Now see this. Void main. Yeah, see this. If I enter welcome, now see, guys. If I enter the string, now defaultly all values are garbage values. Okay, one character we have to print. Int I. See this. Now gets of now I want to write gets of A. What is gets of A? I will read a string. Here I will give a message. Printf. See this, guys. Printf, enter any string. If I enter any string, see this. Now I am entering any string. Enter any string, guys. For example, if you enter any string, guys, what will be stored here? What will be stored? See, if I enter welcome, this value replaced with W guys. This is W. Are you following guys? L. Okay, W if I enter, this is C, O, M, E. What is the last character? Null character. This is null character. Okay, it replaces the garbage values. Last character. Till how many characters? If I enter welcome, this garbage value will be removed. Now if I enter welcome, this will be removed. And see this. Are you following? Which value will be stored? Welcome will be stored. What is A of 0? W, E, L, C, O, M, E. Slash 0. What about remaining characters? Garbage values only. Okay, if I try to print, see guys. Now what I want to print for I equals to 0, I equals to 0, I less than 20. Can I write 20 or not? I will check it. It's not correct. If I write 20, what happens? Now print a 1 character. Sleep 1 function I am using. Sleep 1. Okay, you know right? I is 0, I less than 20. 20 times this loop will execute. Each line, next line. 1 character I am saying, right? Percentile C. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. మొత్తం అన్నప్పుడు అయితే percentile S యూజ్ చేస్తాం. At a time, while printing, at a time gets percentile S use guys. If you are printing 1 character, we use percentile C. Okay, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 like this. Okay, tester string 2 S2 dot C. Now once execute, can I enter welcome? It is showing okay, garbage values guys. It's 20 characters. Wait a minute, I will show you. Clear screen I will do and I will show you. Previous output also it is showing. Those all values are garbage values. I entered 2 characters only. If I enter 2 characters, remaining values are garbage values it is printing. See? I less than 20. See once. Now I want to write clear screen function because it removes the previous output. Clear screen. See this. If I use clear screen, once run this program, I entered welcome. See the output guys. W, E, L, right? First character, second character, right? O, M, E. Next, null character, 7th, 8th, 9th, remaining all characters. Till 19 it is printing. They are garbage values. Okay, na? But these are not required, right? These are not required to print. Till which character you have to print? Welcome is enough, right? Here enough. What is the next character? Till null character we have to read. First value. See, these all programs we write, guys. Now all string programs, this step we write. See once, I equals to 0, first character, I is 0, A of I not equals to null. This condition what I have to write, guys? A of I not equals to null character. A of I not equals to null. First character, right? See how it executes. First one is what? You entered what? Something. I entered welcome like this, right? What is the last character? This is a null character. First, I is 0. What is I, guys? W. I is 0. A of I. What is A of I? W. W not equals to null. Yes, print a character. W will be printed. Next, after printing, where it goes? I plus plus. What is I plus plus? It's a 1. A of 1. What is A of 1? E. E is not a null. Yes or no? E is not a null. Print a next in the next line. E will be printed. I plus plus 2. A of 2. What is A of 2? L it is. L is not a null character. Print L also. Next, I plus plus 3. What is A of 3? C. C not a null. C also will be printed. I plus plus O. Next, fourth one. Fourth one. A of 4. O. O is not a null. O also will be printed. I plus plus 5. What is A of 5? What is A of 5? M. M is not a null. M also will be printed. I plus plus. What is A of 6? E. E is not a null. E also will be printed in the next line. A of 6, right? I plus plus 7. What is 7? Null character. Null not equals to null.